All right, everybody. I'm here to talk about statistical questions and whether they are statistical or not. The first one, we actually did a couple of these in class, but I just want to reemphasize how we did it. First question is, remember, a statistical question is when it has more than one answer possibility. So here's the first one. How many students are in Miss Dean's first period class? So can that be more than one answer, or is it going to be the same every time? It's going to be the same, right? Her first period class, there's always going to be a certain amount on the roll sheet. So we know that that answer is, it's going to be one answer. Like we can get an answer. So that no, it is not statistical because there's only one answer. Second question says, how many songs do students have on their iPods? Well, on your iPod or iPhone compared to someone else's, you might have a different number of songs, right? I know on mine I have, I don't know, probably over 1,000. So the answers are going to vary. There's going to be more than one answer, which means that yes, it is statistical. All right. So remember, statistical means it's going to have more than one answer. How many siblings does each student have? That is, let's say someone in our third period has 3 siblings. Someone in second period might have 1 sibling. Someone in fourth period might have 0 siblings. So the answers are going to vary, right? Everybody is different. Last one I'm going to work out with you guys is, how much did the baby weigh when she was born? Well, I know my son, he weighed 21 pounds. He weighed 9 pounds and I think 0.1 ounce or something like that. So there's only one answer for that question, right? He only weighed one thing. It's not like he weighed like 5 different weights. It's one weight, which means that no, this is not statistical. So that's how we do this. Think about each question. How many days are there in the school year? And think, is that, is there only one answer for that, or is there multiple answers? It's pretty easy once you get the hang of it and really think about the questions. If you're confused, read it again and think. Try to see if you can find the answer. If there's only one answer possible, then guess what? It's not statistical. All right. That was our help for today.